How to add clickable link in Canva. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open your Canva app on the browser or on the desktop and go on the website, open any design, go on the left side, click on text, and from here add a text box. Alright, now here I'm gonna write this text here. Okay, now I'm gonna change this to Anton, and now just click on the text, click on these three dots on more, and here click on link. Alright, you have to put your link over here. So I'm gonna go and put my YouTube video link over here. Okay, now click on done, and that's it, you're good to go. Now in order to make this link work, you have to download this file in PDF format. So just go on top right corner, click on share. Now go to download and make sure to download this file. Click on download, wait for a few moments. As you can see, the file is downloaded. Click on it, and as you can see, when I will click on this text, I will be redirected to that YouTube video.
Hey guys.
So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.